Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to discuss about the SEBI new margin rules. So SEBI has changed their margin framework. So what should be the benefit about this new margin and what is the disadvantage about these margins? So I'm going to explain in this video. The SEBI changing their margin rules as per their time basis and they are doing their exposure margins and other span margin. They are updating each and every day based on the volatility. So now they are providing some new rules. Those who are edging kind of traders, they may be getting their big benefit about margins compared to the naked traders. Okay, that I'm going to explain in this video. Anyone who not yet subscribe my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And we are day by day are growing and fabulous support about my subscribers. I'm thanking you all to my subscribers. Because of you it's giving me a lot of energy and we are doing our best. Okay, thanks for subscribers, and those who are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. So new margin benefit, what are the changes in the margin new margins? So we are going to see. And first of all, let's show you that this is the same example about a new margin. So when I compare naked positions with edged positions, what should be the benefit using this margin which is applicable from the 1st of June. Okay, so if anyone who traded a Nifty, for example Nifty future, if you are buying, so the risk that series 3 sigma risk, now it is changing 6 sigma. You see that the margin is around 8 initial margin based on the 3 sigma. Here the margin is 64,000 and exposure margin is 4,000 and overall margin come to 1 lakh 4,000. So don't think about the 3 sigma and 2 sigma. What should be the benefit about margins? Okay, simply if you are doing the trade where naked Nifty buy or sell, your initial margin is around 1 lakh rupees. Okay, now the same margin is around little bit lower up to just 2% down. So naked margin without the major changes in the naked positions. For example, if you are taking a stock, so you are taking a State Bank, you are buying this State Bank as you are 322 if you are buying. So your initial margin is 1.7 lakhs. Now the margin is 1.72, here 1.71. So it's not, this new margin rules, it's not affecting our naked trade old margins. That you have to understand. Okay, in case of if you are doing edging kind of trades, so we have always doing the edging trades. Always we are having advanced option trading strategies which is provide edging kind of trades only. So that my clients and those who are learn to my strategy, so this margin benefit is 100% worth and power helpful to our trade my group of traders, because we are doing a lot of edging kind of trades only. So that will benefit us to make even more better than. Okay, here if this is the future with the protected by OTM put options. So we know the strategy we can try to do with the OTM put options as well as ATM put options. Even sometimes we are doing ITM put option as per my advanced strategy. So here if you are buying Nifty future with the same time, if you are buying say little bit somewhere 300 200 points out of the money, so initial margin up to 85,000, but now what you are getting a benefit up to 67,000. So you are going to get the margin benefit up to 20%. So you compare to old margin, and new margin will be 20% lower than the um, previous margin if you are buying with or protected with OTM options. Either if you are selling a future, buying a call option with out of the money call option, or if you are selling a buying a futures, buying a out of the money put options, that will give you somewhere around 20 percentage of margin benefit. Same like that the stocks, where you seen stock where if you are doing with the out of the money put options, it not changing big. So here initial margin is around 1.2 lakhs. Now you get here 1.27 lakhs, even a little bit higher if you are doing with the stocks. And what about the ATM options? While if I'm doing, so this ATM options hedging strategy, we are doing a lot of thing So we know the advanced option trading strategy. Those who are already attend my paid lessons, they know very well what is this strategy. If you are buying the future with the ATM put options, that is giving you better margin benefit. Initially, if you are going to buy a Nifty future and the same time if you are buying ATM call option or a Nifty future buy and ATM put option buy or a Nifty future sell or ATM put option sell, sorry, put option call option buy, that simply reduce your margin up to 50 percentage. That those who are attend my class, this is what our third strategy, and we have some other modification on this strategy. So this strategy now we got major drop in the margin up to 54 percentage. And the same like the stock also, you got 320 if you are buying a future and the same time buying a put options will give you the margin benefit. Initial margin is 1.4 lakhs, now your margin is around 69,000, is around 50% down. So those who are doing future with ATM options buy to protect their positions, so their margin will be very lower compared to previous margin. So this is what a major important point. So when we are seeing, and another thing, naked sell. Okay, the naked sell, for example, if you are selling out of the money call options or ATM call options, so initial margin a little bit higher than the previous margin if you are selling a naked options. So there is a drawback. So those who are already selling a naked options, they are providing they are giving some margins, but now June 1st onwards they are going to give their margin little bit higher. If the stock is around 20%, it's showing, it's the approximate value 20% it's showing. For if you are selling a naked call option, initially your margin would be 1.4 lakhs, now it is 1.7 lakhs, it's up to 20% increase. And if you are doing with the index, 94,000 91,000 is an investment, now it is 93,000. So if you are doing a naked call or put sell option sell, so your margin little bit higher. Those who are doing edging kind of trade, like the spread, bull call spread, bear call, bear put spread, so a lot of strategy is there. And if you are doing with edging kind of this kind of strategy, it is giving you more than 60%. Initial margin is 85,000, now it is just 3,000 rupees is the margin for this kind of spread strategies. Okay, and iron condor, even on the butterfly strategies, so the risk is limited. Those strategy having limited risk as well as a limited profit or unlimited profit. The risk factor which you are reduced in this strategical basis, so that kind of strategy always giving you the margin benefit. So here initial margin 1.2 lakhs, now it is 44,000, so it is up to 64 percentage of margin benefit while you are going to get from 1st of June based on the new margin benefit. So the iron condor, butterfly strategy, lot of hedging strategies there to sell by a call option, sometimes buy a put and sell at higher strike prices. So like a different type of strategies which is available. So that kind of strategies you are going to get major benefit from the margins. Okay, and what about this detailed margin? So what you have to understand, if you are doing the trade with the hedging basis with the limited risk and limited profit, that all the strategies will give you the margin benefit. The hedging strategies will always give you the margin benefit from 1st of June onwards, and remaining strategies are naked sell and naked buy, little bit increase their margin. So what I'm going to get that margin rules, SEBI margin rule summary. This is what margin rules. The margin required for naked selling of stocks going little bit higher. So normal margin we are providing for a selling option, that is naked selling option, so it's little bit higher, but margin required for edged positions with the limited risk has gone down by more than near about 70 percentage. Yes, and price can, that is a sigma that calculations, if volatility increases the margin increases, that is mean the sigma. So when the sigma changes, your volatility changes, the sigma margin will be applicable. The here another one, the spreads and ratio and hedged positions, a margin dropped by 70%. So the spread trading, bull call spread, bear call spread, and ratio spread, and hedging positions like future with options, everything will give you the major benefit up to 70% down on the margin. And advantage for this retail investor, so the retail investor now can buy each trades now with the less amount, so that is what benefit. And again the same thing will also be risky. So if you are less margin, we have to make a more quantity, that is also be risky. And disadvantage, so here you see the retail traders may trade more lots, now margin has got reduced, so if trade goes wrong they may be lose more. So that is what a drawback. And what is the point which is advantage, the same point where we can get disadvantages too. So but edging trades, and again you see that edging trade like iron counter record, so lot of in-depth knowledge, right? So once you know clear thing about that kind of strategies, you can go there. So I have explained in detail now. So this is what approximate margin. So once it is applicable on the first of from the 1st of June, so we will be getting clear margins, and we will get the softwares will get changed, and you will be getting clear margin. And if you like this video, you can like and share to your friends, and come if you have any other questions you can comment it out, and you can subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much, and thank you so much.